Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select who can see your friends list on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on this menu icon down below on the left side corner of the screen. Then tap on settings at the top, scroll down to audience and visibility, and then click on the second option, how people can find and contact you. Click on who can see your friends list, and here you have three options. You can set it to public so anyone can check it out, only your friends, or friends accept, and then you can type in the name of certain people with whom you don't want to share your friends list. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.